Bro, every time I try to freaking mix this pasta, I make a mess. Complete mess. Welcome back. Today, we are gonna get into some vodka. So we got some Tito's here. Not very much of it, but just enough for us to make this vodka sauce. First time making it. We see how it go. I feel like it's gonna be good. In honor of this video, take a shot with me. Let's do this. We are going to Barcelona. Yeah, boy. For me, to you, salud. Oh man, ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. Ugh. There's really not much to making this vodka pasta. Onions, garlic, tomato paste, vodka, heavy cream. Whip that bad boy up and you're pretty much good. I mean pasta water as well. But yeah, it's pretty simple. It's gonna be a pretty quick video probably. It literally probably gonna only take me like 15 minutes to cook. I just did all the prep, got all the onions cut, got all the garlic cut. Just need to get this pasta boiling and we are good to go. We are ready. Shout out to my mom. She broke that pot cover. It wasn't me. That's why I got the Dutch pot cover on there. Like, how you gonna do that? And she didn't even tell me about it. I had to discover it. I'm over here looking through the covers and whatnot. I was like, damn, where is the top for my my pan, or my boiling shit? Why should I boil water in? Can't find it. My mom over there sitting at the table was hard. I was like, oh yeah, I broke it. You broke it? What? Oh well, what can you do? finished product of the vodka pasta. I mixed in the Parmesan, but you know, we gotta do a taste test and see how it is. I think it's alright. Yeah, it's not my favorite pasta dish. It was my first time trying it. Also, I made it, so I probably messed up somewhere along the lines as far as measurements and stuff, but it's pretty mid for me, you know. It's alright. A very tomato based pasta, and I think I'm already biased that because I don't really like that many tomato stuff, except for like spaghetti when you with the marinara and the bolognese, you know. But definitely not up there. Definitely not up there. Maybe I could do bad. Maybe I could do bad. I don't know. Another week, another dish, vodka pasta. Would you like some? Smudge the fuck out of my camera. Yeah, all better, but yeah, vodka pasta. 6 out of 10. Shout out to the very boring vodka pasta. Alright, man. This was another RoChubbs late night cooking. It's 1 a.m., 1:30. I will see you beautiful people. Oh, shit. I ain't say I had something on my face. Oh, maybe that's the pimple. Oh, I think that's pimple. Never mind. I'll see y'all in the next one.